It's always interesting when a celebrity passes away to find out what their estate plan was, whether there was one in place or not. You hear stories such as Aretha Franklin having 3 or 4 handwritten wills scattered throughout her house, all undated, all with different items, all with different beneficiaries. Others you hear was well thought out, well planned. Jimmy Buffett was one of those. His will appointed his wife, Jane Buffett, as the personal representative of his estate. In the event she cannot serve, his business partner of Margaritaville Holdings was chosen to step in if needed. Now, what about some of his other business assets? Well, it seems that Mr. Buffett, Jimmy that is, set up a trust and poured everything into his trust. That's what we call a revocable trust with a pour-over will. Any asset outside the trust gets poured into his trust. Now, what about his intellectual property, which includes the rights to his music? Those go to his trust. Now, he may have a separate list of his belongings, including clothing and furniture and real estate. That all goes to his wife, the way that it's stated in his trust, in his will. What about Jimmy Buffett's homes in Palm Beach, Sag Harbor, New York, and other places around the world? What about his planes and his yacht? Well, that goes into his trust as well. So what's the lesson here? Well, funneling everything to your trust affords you a ton of privacy. There are a million celebrity wills that have gone wrong. I'll just give you a couple of them. Aretha Franklin, there's Prince, Jim Morrison of the Doors, Marilyn Monroe. Jimmy Buffett estate plan was not one of them. It was well thought out, well prepared, last executed in 2017. So give me a call. Let's make sure that your plan is exactly as you intended when you pass. Cameron White, estate planning attorney, Windermere, Florida.